So this is the last part of my weathering topic. This is called chemical weathering. So if you have any question, any queries, so you can mail me in my email ID diparnachatterjee@gmail.com or chatterjeediparnaiitb@gmail.com, and below you can see my mobile number. So my mobile number is 9820914337. So I'll be starting today with the chemical weathering. So chemical weathering, as you know, is the chemical decomposition of the rocks. So decomposition of one minerals into other. So there is a breakdown in the mineral. So this causes the rocks to decay, to decompose, and instead of disintegration, there is a decomposition of the minerals. The minerals of the rocks undergo here chemical changes when they are in contact of the atmospheric water and air. So you know that atmosphere contains oxygen, carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, and many other gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So in combination of all of them with water, different kinds of chemical weathering take place. So along with this, there is a requirement of high levels of temperature in the area. So the area has to be hot and humid for chemical weathering to take place. So these are the different classification of chemical weathering like carbonation, chlorination, oxidation, hydration, solution, and desilication. So coming into the carbonation takes place in the rocks that contains calcium, sodium, magnesium, and potassium, etc. So when they come in touch with the rainwater, so then the carbon dioxide, the rocks which has carbon dioxide, that gets dissolved. So in this process, the carbonation takes place, or there is a chemical disintegration of rocks. It is mainly found in the lower humid elements. Next, coming into chlorination, it takes place when the chloride salts are formed, and as a result there is a chemical reaction. Oxidation, as you know, oxidation is the formation of rust. So it is based on the iron salts. The atmospheric oxygen that is present in the rainwater, so it gets united with the minerals in the rocks, especially iron compounds. So this results in the decomposition of the rocks, and the rock starts to crumble. So this process is known as oxidation. Coming into hydration, the chemical action of the water detaches the outer shell of the aluminium bearing rocks through the process of hydration. Then is the process of solution. So there are some minerals such as rock salt, gypsum, which are that are removed by the process of solution in water. The chemical reaction of rainwater brings about decomposition of minerals more rapidly than the mechanical action. So the chemical weathering is capable of breaking up even hard crystalline rock into minute particles. So coming into the next type of weathering is the biological weathering, where disintegration of rocks takes place with the help of plants, animals, and different activities of man. So there can be penetration of plants roots into the soil and the rocks, which makes the rocks to disintegrate. And then there can be burrowing of animals like ants, rats, etc., which also helps in disintegration of rocks. So this is coming to my end of the chapter or the topic called weathering.